The year 2020 has been cruel to Bollywood, as some of the noted celebrities bid this world goodbye. The Indian film and television industry lost some of its gems in this year. From Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor, Sushant Singh Rajput, and choreographer Saroj Khan, the absence of these legendary stars has created a void which can never be filled. Here is a look back at all the stars who passed away this year. Before start the video, if you like to buy exclusive collection of men and women from Amazon, you can check the link of my Amazon store given in the description below. Nishikant Kamath. The director-actor Nishikant Kamath passed away on August 17 in Hyderabad's AIG hospital after a battle with liver cirrhosis. He was 50. The director was known for helming movies such as Mumbai Meri Jaan, Force, Drishyam, Rocky Handsome and Madari. As an actor, he was known for his performances in Daddy, Rocky Handsome, Julie 2 and Bhavesh Joshi. Mohit Baghel. Actor Mohit Baghel, best known for playing Amar Chaudhary in superstar Salman Khan's Ready, died of cancer on May 24. He was 26. Mohit has also acted in films Ikkis Topon Ki Salami and Gali Gali Chor Hai. Rishi Kapoor. Bollywood actor Rishi Kapoor passed away in Mumbai on April 30, following a long battle with cancer. He was 67. The actor was diagnosed with cancer in 2018 and had then traveled to New York for treatment. He was one of the most celebrated actors in the industry. Shafiq Ansari. Renowned actor Shafiq Ansari, best known for his appearance in TV series Crime Patrol, died of cancer on May 10. He was 52. Ansari battled thoracic cancer for 2 years and then he was also diagnosed with lung infection. Jaya Prakash Reddy. Telugu actor Jaya Prakash Reddy passed away at his residence in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh on September 8 after suffering a cardiac arrest. The 74-year actor worked on many popular films. Sushil Gowda. Sushil Gowda, best known for his role in Kannada soap opera Anthapura, died by suicide on July 7. He has also played an important role in upcoming Kannada movie Salaga. Jagesh Mukati. Television actor Jagesh Mukati, who worked in shows like Amitaka Amit and Sri Ganesh, passed away on June 12. He was 47. Mukati also featured in Gujarati plays and shows. He was also seen in Pariniti Chopra and Siddharth Malhotra's movie Hasi To Fasi. Wajid Khan. Bollywood music composer Wajid Khan of the Sajid Wajid duo passed away in Mumbai on June 1 at the age of 43. Wajid was suffering from a kidney ailment and some reports claim that he had tested positive for coronavirus. He has been associated with the hit Dabangg series. Preksha Mehta. Television actor Preksha Mehta died by suicide on May 25. He acted in TV shows like Crime Patrol, Tu Ashiki, Lal Ishq and Meri Durga. Preksha was also a part of Akshay Kumar film Padman. Irfan Khan. Irfan Khan was another gem of an actor that left us soon. The actor breathed his last on April 29 after a long battle with the cancer. He had been traveling to London frequently for treatment. He was 53. His last Hindi film was Angrezi Medium, which he was unable to promote this year due to ill health. Saroj Khan. Bollywood choreographer Saroj Khan passed away in Mumbai on July 3, following a cardiac arrest. She was 71. In a career spanning 40 years, she choreographed nearly 2,000 songs. Her most successful collaborations are with actors Sridevi and Madhuri Dixit. Sushant Singh Rajput. Also on this list on Indian actors and actresses who died in 2020 is Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant was an Indian actor who worked in Bollywood. He was found dead in his Bandra home. The alleged cause of death was suicide. In the post-mortem report, it was concluded that he had hanged himself to death. His cause of suicide is linked to drug uses as he was a frequent drug user.